Welcome back. It's been a minute. We've got some fun things here from Flyin Miata. Oh, yeah, it's kind of heavy. Black Friday sales, so we're gonna go ahead and get those installed today. We've got sway bars. We've got butterfly cross members for the frame rails, some pedal extensions, and some other fun stuff. So let's get to it. I don't know, maybe.
Wow.
What were you,
Ooh.
Yeah, those are some dimes.
Yeah,
Some pretty good welds. So we got one that'll go all the way in the rear, and then this front one that will go more towards the front, towards the transmission. They've got recessed bolt holes in all of these, so the underside you can actually fit the bolt head, washers, all that good stuff, just like that. And should be pretty simple as far as getting it on there. They all mount straight to the frame rails that we already have on. Then I got some anodized sway bar brackets, so those will be for the front only. Hell yeah, we got some stickers. The stickers were like 800 bucks, everything else was free. And then all metal pedal conversion with the dead pedal, and then the throttle pedal extension. So, oh, good job. Yeah, very excited about these as well. All right, so we got the new front and rear sway bars, new bushings, brackets, which we won't be using because we got the anodized ones, some grease, and some bolts. Pretty simple stuff. So let's get that jacked up. So since the last time you've seen the car, I got new wheels and tires. These are 15s, a little bit wider. And then I also did the Prisma Sakura seats. Still having some issues with those, so those will be in an upcoming video because we're gonna do all new door cards, floor mats, etc. to make it all look the same. But so far I really like them. I'm having a little bit of issues with this one being a little too tall, so I've ordered some smaller floor mounts as well. So like I said, we'll talk about that a little more in a further video, but for today, we're just gonna be working under the car. Doing the back first, because it should be easiest. We've got the 13 millimeter nuts and washers, or sorry, bolts and washers. And just wanna make sure that we're going for the recess side down. Just gonna get under there, slap them in. So we've got it installed. Just gotta finish torquing it. This side, perfectly fine. That side, cross-threaded to hell. Don't know what happened to it. Don't know why it did that, but it's in there now, so it probably was not coming out. We're gonna work on the front ones next and see if we have any better luck. Under the NA, we've got the one tie-in point there, and then we've got to actually remove this bolt, and they've given us different bolts, longer bolts to replace these, and we'll use a little spacer as well. So we'll do that on both sides. I was a little hesitant because, you know, it doesn't feel good removing this, but then it's still held in with that one, so. And I'm sure it's held in several other places as well, but yeah, we'll go for it. It is installed. We had some difficulty again with the bolts in the back, cross threading, but you know, sometimes you just gotta send it.
Chase a check, never chase a.
Exactly. And they had mentioned that you may have to dimple your exhaust manifold, which I just chose to ugga the dugga out of it. And it's definitely making contact. So,
Rattle's coming soon.
for real. We ended up using the spacer on the top to try and eat up some of that space there. And I don't know. We'll start it and see if we get any gnarly noises.
I mean, just get a 1 rev. Yeah, I think it's fine. Great success.
All right, folks, we're doing the rear sway bar. So, gonna go ahead and remove the sway bar end links. It's size 14 on both sides, so we use a socket on this one, a wrench on this one, because we don't want to tear the bushing that's in there. And these are also 14s, so we'll go ahead and get those done, and then try and slide it over. And then I just want to look at the size comparison between this and the one we're putting in, because it looks pretty gnarly from down here. Look at the size difference on that.
That's what she said.
Yep. Obviously gotta add it in post, but that's all right.
Yeah.
So this bracket and then the new bushing that they gave us will go right on this little lip before the, the dinghy. Perfect. And then we just have to match up those as far as making sure that they're the same direction, and then just put it back in.
Do you remember which way it came?
Absolutely. We'll figure it out. I don't think about these things. All right.
Dabba Ranch.
Let's lube up the new bushings.
Ooh.
I'm gonna get some clean gloves because I don't want my lube to be dirty. But other than that, just slap them in there. And then these are the new bushings that we're gonna be using. They should be. I could have swore they were like. Oh yeah, here it is. There. So we'll lube it up, slap it on the bar, slap the bar in, and then when we drop the car, we'll torque the end links back to spec. Comes with this very nice lube packet. Can you stop? That we're gonna use to put inside there. So clean gloves, so that way we can, and it'll be all good. So they said that you should just grab the whole packet and kind of work it in there. May have to expand these a little bit, but yeah, we'll see. It doesn't work so good, but it's okay. I'll put it on my finger. We'll lube the whole thing up. It will be a good time. All right.
Probably too small of an opening.
That's fuck.
Yeah, too tight.
Jesus, really. 2 fingers.
I mean, these ones.
I don't know. That looks pretty lubed to me.
Yeah, good enough.
All right, we're moving on. Got them on there. The lube is super sticky, so yeah. Fresh pair of gloves again. And then, like I said, we just got to make sure that we're matching up the angle of the sway bar end link with the sway bar itself. So it's going to go on like that. Yeah. We're just reusing the same ones on the back, which is why they have the lips, so it fits a lot better. So I got these, you know, in theorem, but like I said, you torque them when they're on the floor. God, look at how bad those look. So coilover's coming soon. That's a thing. But yeah, a lot more sturdy. So I'm excited to get the front one on and tighten them up, and then go see how this improved the feel of the car. Front one's not too much of a different story here. We're gonna just be doing the same thing with these, and then the actual brackets are up there, and those are the ones that we're gonna be using those anodized ones for. So go ahead and take all these off and slide it out. Does it taste good?
Mm-hmm.
Tasting that lube? Put it down. I want to see it next to it. I mean, it's a little thicker.
Yeah.
Especially on the ends here.
It's like from 3/8 to a 5/8 in a whole inch.
Yeah. She should do good. Getting it out was hard. So getting it in with even thicker is going to be a challenge, but we'll do it. Car's back on the ground now, so we're going to go ahead and torque, and it is 20 foot-pounds for the end lengths.
I didn't get it.
What?
No, you didn't.
It's not clicking at all. Yeah, just oh, well, it's still like, I can still hand tighten it.
I don't even know where it is.
Huh? Just gotta break the brake line.
You don't need them.
Is that going the right way?
Probably not.
I'm so glad I'm getting like 2 or 3 clicks per.
Lots of room down here to work.
Oh yeah.
Still not 20.
Jeez.
Just undoing it.
No, I made sure.
There's no space back here. Hey, that's my shoe.
Don't troll.
Jesus.
This 2 or 3 clicks thing is not working out so good for me. No. I think we're getting close.
See, my car, I could just go through this little spot and just tighten everything right here.
You must be nice.
Yeah. BMW.
How am I supposed to do both? Somehow hold this one.
You can do it. There it was.
Is that it?
Yeah. There it is.
Christ.
So that's how you do it, guys. Two bolt, 2 wrenches. You need a 14 and then your torque wrench.
Just do it. Are we filming the back too?
I don't know. At least I'll be able to get my face on here very easier.
I have not stopped recording live action.
Oh, hell yeah.
Shake cam, 3 minutes.
This is how we do it here.
It's more entertaining that way.
The back's gonna be way easier.
Yeah.
The front, not so much. All right. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Easy peasy.
I don't know, did we say why you have to do that? You have to do this while the suspension is loaded, or else if you tighten everything while it's like, say the bushing's this way, you'll tear your bushing. So always read the instructions and tighten your bushings under load.
I love bush with load.
Yeah, you do.